welcome to my backyard. My name is Liana, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the new things that came in the Sephora favorites box. Something really funny about this box is that when I received it, it was sitting on my kitchen table for a little bit, and my dad and my two brothers all came up at different times to look at the box, and they're like, is that ice cream? Is that food? They thought it was some kind of food, but I'm like, no, it's products that you rub on your face. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what's inside and see if maybe you're interested in getting this box as well. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Now I'm gonna talk about everything that it comes with. It comes with this full-size Milk makeup face mask. This face mask is the kind you apply by rubbing on your face. It's in a stick form, so it's less messy than most face masks, which I think is nice. And my mom and I already tried it out. We both liked it. We thought it was fun. We looked like Mr. Krabs without the shell, so that was funny. We looked really red. It was a fun experience. Also comes with a trial size Too Faced primer, and I tried this underneath my makeup. I really like it. It smells like a nice light scent. I enjoy it. I'm glad that I was able to try it. Something that I was excited for was this Marc Jacobs Youth Wake cream. I guess it's a gel. It smells kind of like tropical pineapples. I want to do more anti-aging creams on myself to see if it makes a difference in the long run. So far, I like how it feels on my skin. It feels very refreshing and youthful. Okay, so I'm filming this outside in my yard. I guess I got some foundation on the top of this box, and now there's a baby fly stuck in it, and I feel bad for the baby fly. I got the fly off the box. Any hoots, back to the video. It also comes with this Sephora lip scrub. To me, I don't really see it as a scrub. I mean, it has little pieces of sugar or something to make it a little bit abrasive, but it's more like a lip balm, I think. It's a really cute color, and I like it. Another thing that I was excited to receive in this box was this little tiny eye cream, because like I said before, I want to get into using more anti-aging creams and stuff, so I think eye cream is important. And this is the Banana Bright eye cream. I used it a couple of times. I haven't really seen huge differences yet, but maybe in time things will start to look different. Another thing that they gave is another mask. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, and so I haven't tried this yet, but I'm really excited about it. Maybe I'll do that tonight. I think that that's super exciting because I've never used a sleeping mask before, but quarantine is time for new experiences, so I think that that will be fun to use. The last item that came in the box is this Sephora sheet mask, and it's just a regular Sephora sheet mask, and I think that that's fun. That's nice. It'll be fun to put on my face. Overall, this box is really exciting to me because I like trying new things, and I think that it's definitely worth it if you're interested in trying a few of these products. I think that they're all really great, valuable skincare items to have. I've been having a lot of fun trying them out. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. Bye everyone.